Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla tail light. Begin by opening the trunk and folding back the trunk lining to expose the tail light assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector, remove the mounting bolts, swap the bulb or the full assembly if needed, and reconnect everything securely. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and double-check the light function before closing the trunk. Gather the right tools before you begin so the job goes smoothly and safely. Use a socket set, a flat screwdriver, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb or assembly for your Corolla. Park on stable ground, set the parking brake, and work with good lighting to avoid dropped hardware. Keep small bolts in a container and protect bulbs from skin oils to prevent premature failure. Start by removing the trunk lining fasteners and pulling the liner back to reach the tail light assembly. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and remove the mounting bolts that hold the assembly in place. Remove the old bulb or assembly, install the new bulb or replacement unit, and tighten the bolts to secure it. Reconnect the electrical plug, test the brake, turn signal, and reverse lights, then reattach the trunk lining.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.